My name's Craig Cutler. I'm an optometrist. We develop a vertical market for practice management, electronic medical record for optometry. And we were trying to connect some older equipment that had serial output to get that data into FileMaker. And we had no idea how to do it. So I was looking for solutions, someone who did lots of different things. I knew this was a very different kind of request, and found 24U was really responsive to help me figure out how to do this really unusual problem. 24U was able to figure out how to get serial data out of an old machine that does eye exams. That data comes out in a serial form into FileMaker. And it was tricky. The communication was really easy. I remember that some of it I couldn't figure out, and I remember the developer rewrote parts of it to help us do some testing that we couldn't figure out how to do. He kind of gave us another rev that made it easier for us to test it. And then I also remember some sort of software that he came up to help us be able to emulate serial data, because we didn't have the machine there to be able to test it and get it working before we actually tried to install it, because we didn't have the machine in our office that created the serial data. So that was another tricky part, and I remember he helped find a way to do that. I would recommend it to anybody who had a tricky problem, because 24U really helped me figure it out, and I was surprised they could do it.